Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked S7 Edge and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier from any country. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because they have the cheapest prices online and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. On the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the S7 Edge, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select Get Unlocking Code, and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest prices online with the fastest delivery times. Once they email you the unlock code, it's time to unlock your phone, so go ahead and pop open the SIM tray, which should be located on the top, and insert the SIM card you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the S7 Edge on my T-Mobile network, so I'm putting in my T-Mobile SIM card. If your SIM card doesn't fit, then you have to adjust the size in order for it to work, and there is a link below to show you how that's done. Once the SIM card is inside the phone, it should take you to the SIM unlock page, and this is where you enter the unlock code that you received from the unlocking company. After inputting in the code and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful, and the phone will take you straight to the home screen, and your phone becomes permanently unlocked. Please note that some newer devices locked to US carriers are now remotely unlocked, so if it doesn't prompt for a code, don't worry, the unlocking company can still unlock it, no problem. So that's how you unlock your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.